Hi guys. Hi Bo. Ngazi disappointed. Ngazi disappointed by this episode. Part 3 of the reunion of Nganele. Ha, guys. My favorite couple. Well, we had two breakups really. Because even Sophie said she needs a break. So Sophie and Prince are breaking up. But I guess for them there's still hope. Because Sophie is saying she needs a break. And I think it's really because she's still upset about the statement that was made by Prince. But untombi, guys, untombi no Nhlanhla. How about it, my kids? Lapho ngingasabathandi. Kodwa guys, this season there were signs ukuthi something is going on with Nhlanhla. And yeah, there were signs, especially alcohol. Guys, okay. Let me not be all over the place. Let me do this in an organized way. First, welcome to Reality Buzz TV, where we talk about all things reality TV shows and all things reality TV show stars. One thing I want to say, guys, I think production needs to be careful with giving cast members alcohol before the reunion. I think it should depend what kind of show they're doing, because this is a show about people's relationships and you want to hear their sober thoughts and feelings on their relationships. Why are you giving them alcohol? And this is something that they do a lot there by DSTV, because even on Umnagwetu, guys, some of their wives, especially the side chicks, were just looking really drunk. Okay, the red eyes, the slow speech. Yeah, when I said the one yesterday, I haven't done that review, guys. I'm still going to do it. She was very drunk. That woman was she wearing a pink dress or red dress? She was very drunk. I'm not understanding why they give them alcohol before the show. You can give them all the alcohol you want to give them after the show, okay? So here, Prince last week looked like he was drunk. But unhlanhla ke njena, hayi unhlanhla shame. Bekukhuluma ugologo ke nje namhlanje. You know? And you're bringing these people to talk about their relationships, family issues. What is the need for alcohol before the reunion? I'm not understanding, guys. I really do believe they give them the alcohol, you know? Because if it's not them who's giving them, I don't think that those people would just show up drunk to shoot the show, you know? Especially if they manage to shoot the whole season without alcohol. Anyway, you guys. So my biggest disappointment, of course, was the breakup. Kanhlanhla noNtombi. But let me say this. Congratulations, Ntombi. Congratulations, girl. You know? Listen, I celebrate a girl that can recognize that it's time to walk away. It doesn't sound like she just, like one day she just walked away. It sounds like it was a build up. There were things that were happening in their relationship that she got to a point where she's like, let me choose me. And in fact, their breakup was initiated by Nhlanhla, and now Nhlanhla is denying it on TV. It feels like this season they just pretended that they were still together. Maybe for Ntombi there was still hope that they were going to get back together, but it looks like their relationship was not doing well already during the season. And then I guess after it ended, then and Nhlanhla, maybe he thought that they were going to come to the reunion and continue to pretend that they were okay with each other, and Ntombi was over it, and she just decided to tell everybody that the relationship is over. And she did herself a favor, you guys, because then they can't be expecting them to do the next season, because then they would have had to pretend next season that they're still together when they were not. But I was disappointed, you guys, because I wanted them to make it, because really, honestly, from the beginning, they really did look like they were in love with each other. That's why even this season I was not understanding because initially they were living together, they were renting a place together. But this season we never even saw the place. So it felt like they're not living together, but they are planning to get married. So it was like they're moving forward but moving backwards at the same time. I was not understanding it, you guys. So I'm very disappointed. Go back, guys. Ngiyamsola ugogo, guys. Okay, listen. Sengiyolithetha ezulwini ke if I'm wrong, okay? May the God forgive me and let me in heaven. Kodwa guys, ngiyamsola lo gogo ukuthi khona into ayenzile. And also today she was looking very, her face was looking very happy. Ugogo ngiyamsola guys ukuthi she did something, that's why the relationship ended. So guys, let's talk about this funny part that happened at the beginning. When Sophie, no Prince, they are completing their segment, which is what is the final decision as far as their relationship is concerned. Of course, Jabulile doesn't want anything to do with Sophie. Sophie's saying, listen, I'm over it too. So that's done. As far as her relationship is concerned, Sophie wants a break from the relationship because she says right now she is hurt and just needs a break. And Prince is upset about the fact that Sophie needs a break. I'm not understanding because at the last week, Prince said that he hadn't paid Ilobolo, but he was trying to negotiate with Sophie's family to change from 75,000 to 40,000. But today, Sophie's brother said that Prince has already paid the 40,000 and it's in the money, and there's only 19,000 left. So I don't know why. It's almost like they didn't want to reveal that the Prince has already paid the 40,000, but the brother actually revealed it because the brother kept saying when they were talking about, the whole thing of the breakup, the brother is like, no, you can't break up because the brother's like, they are talking seriously about their relationship. The brother, oh look, guys, no, this is really mad. I said mal, I think it's 19,000. And Pela, they can't say I go to 90,000 is for Mihlaul because Mihlaul was only 1,000, remember? So I was confused there, but guys, I thought it was funny that the brother is not concerned about Sophie's feelings. He's like, okay, I get it, but you can't break up because imali sesidlile, At the same time, they're also trying to say Prince hasn't paid ilobolo. Prince is not really a brother-in-law because ilobolo. So I think there was a misunderstanding. There was a lie that they were supposed to tell us, but there was a misunderstanding as to what the lie was supposed to be. But I'm not even understanding why they were going to do that, you guys. But he was concerned with no man because we've already eaten. But also I was like, listen, I need a break. If he wants his lobola back, pay it back to him. Okay. So that is how it stands with the Sophie no Prince. Now you guys, it's their segment, and Ulasi asked them why they're sitting separately, and Ntombi reveals because they've actually broken up. She says that Unhlanhla broke up with her, and she said she asked him, she would call him a number of times and ask him, you really mean that? She said Unhlanhla would say, yeah, and phone. He went to an extent of sending her a screenshot of a conversation between him and his girlfriend when his girlfriend was telling him, because Unhlanhla now has another girlfriend, when this girlfriend was telling Unhlanhla ukuthi she loves him, just to prove to Ntombi that it was over between the two of them. Okay. I felt sad for Ntombi and I felt hurt for Ntombi, but I felt like Ntombi is a very lucky girl. Guys, there's nothing that is more difficult than when you've been in a relationship for a long time and then you have so many people involved now. The families now, they have their own, relationships, family members. And because if you break up, there's just a lot of people now that are going to be affected. And then you are trying to make a decision here whether it's time for you to walk away, but you are not clear if this person really wants to be here or not. So you're very lucky if a person makes it clear. Okay, if a person makes it clear, I don't love you anymore, I don't want you anymore, I don't want this relationship, I don't want to try anymore. In fact, I've moved on. It hurts, but you are lucky if your partner can do that for you. Just be clear as day and say, I don't want this relationship anymore. So I think that Ntombi is very lucky. So she was making it clear that everybody understand. Listen, we are broken up. It wasn't my idea, it was his idea. He made it very clear that that's what he wanted. And then she says that he had even changed how he had saved her on the phone. Now she was Uncle Kudluza. Okay. Guys, listen. Once they save you, like you are an uncle or you are, what's the other one? The plumber. You are the builder on his phone. Walk away. Okay? Walk away. Okay? Because listen, Zulu man will save you ngesithakazelo. Uyabona bazothi mamdletshe on the phone, bazothi sithando sami, bazothi umkami. They do things like that. But mabengasakufuni, bazothi ubaba oklina igceke. Something like that, okay? Once you become a plumber or an uncle on his phone, it is time to walk away. So basically, Untombi got all of the, signs. She ticked and ticked and ticked, and then she walked away. So they have broken up, you guys. I can't say that the Mthembu family is disappointed. I feel like they are very happy about that. That was the whole goal anyway. They didn't like Untombi. They didn't like Untombi. I think all of them pretended for the show that they were trying, because why are they not disappointed that the relationship is over if they were genuinely trying? Okay. But I feel like, you guys, those people have coming for them, because they really mistreated Untombi, and they really fought for that relationship to end, and now it has ended. But it's coming for them, because I don't think that Untombi deserved that. I really don't think, It's like the first time I'm so sad about the breakup of the people that I've seen on TV, But yeah, you guys, I guess Unhlanhla finally just, wadla izinto zikagogo, wadla izinto zikagogo, and then decided ukuthi akasamfuna uNtombi. And ugogo was very happy today. Ubengahlanyi, you know why? Because Ntombi is no longer around. And usithusile wathi. So Ntombi's mom was there, you guys, and Ntombi's mom did say, you know what, when the uncle passed away, she actually cried, because when uncle passed away, she knew, this is it. With Ntombi's relationship with Unhlanhla, because she feels like Unhlanhla got guidance from the uncle. So with the uncle not being there, those ones don't like Ntombi. So obviously, if umalume ngaseko, it was going to be the end. But she was very disappointed at the treatment that Unhlanhla is giving to Ntombi. She's also very disappointed at the treatment that Unhlanhla is giving to Mama. Apparently, he's not even wanting to speak to her or whatever. Kanti they were building some kind of a relationship as the son-in-law. That was very disappointing, you guys. That was very disappointing. By the way, how come they don't tell us how these people passed away? Because I kind of wanted to know what happened to the uncle, Uncle Nhlanhla. But then also, guys, the Uncle Prince, the uncle that went to pay the 1,000 rands, that uncle also passed away. I was like, what's happening with Nganele? So I was like, why don't they tell us? Was it because they were very healthy during the season, you guys? I don't think they were sick. They were very healthy during the season. So I was wondering, what is it? How come they passed away? Was it car accidents? What happened, you guys? So there was a thing that made the whole segment very, very sad, because obviously they have to show footage, and the uncle is on the footage, and the uncle has passed away. Anyway, guys, so when they were talking about the breakup, Unhlanhla is saying, yeah, Naga's looking a breakup, and Ntombi is like, how come? Because, I really feel like he thought they were going to come and pretend. He even walks away at some point, And listen, I think they do try to pretend about like they're concerned about the breakup, but I think they are happy. Maskay does say she wishes that Ntombi had told her and called her. Ntombi is like, but I've called her a number. Listen, Ntombi was here for the truth, okay? Ntombi was there to tell the truth. She was like, I'm telling on these people, and I am done with them, and I'm walking away. Because when Maske was like, you should have told me, I would have come and helped you with Nhlanhla. And then she's like, but I've told you a number. Every time I call you and we are having problems with Nhlanhla, you always say that I am the one that is wrong. So it doesn't help me to call you. I've called you a number of times. I was disappointed at Maske. By the way, you guys, condolences to the family for losing their uncle. I was really sad about that, you guys. So now, Nhlanhla, guess he was just feeling like it's all coming. The truth was too much. He ended up walking away. Tom is very clear to say, listen, I admire the fact that she was able to sit there and speak the truth and not get overly emotional, because sometimes when you cry, then you're not able to articulate what you need to articulate, because the things that she's sharing are things that I'm thinking she must be very hurt. She says Unhlanhla has said that he doesn't love her and he was still in a relationship for TV. Guys, are our sons going to disappoint us like this too? But I was feeling like this is like my son and daughter at this point, okay? And at some point, Ntombi does say to the family, listen, I thank you so much for not accepting me. I guess you guys, it helped them not accepting her, helped her to learn some things about Unhlanhla, and also it slowed down the process of amalobola and them getting married, because they would have been married quicker had they, if they liked her. I guess they would have pushed Unhlanhla to marry Untombi, and then Untombi would be learning all of these things in Unhlanhla while she's in marriage. But she was like, you know what, thank you so much for not accepting me, because that really helped me. Okay. The mother is disappointed about the breakup, but what can we do? Okay. Listen, I don't even think it's important what Ukoko is saying and trying to explain her feelings about the breakup, because I feel like whatever she's saying is a lie. That grandmother is very happy that Untombi is no longer part of Kahla's life. And I feel like I suspect, but again, it's allegedly. Kodwa ngiyamsola guys, ngiyamsola nje ukuthi lo gogo, she's the cause of the breakup. Anyway, you guys, that was it. Honestly, I don't want to lie. I was just like disappointed. But also, I'm disappointed at the fact that they're breaking up. But I'm disappointed at the fact that now the uncle is no longer around. And maybe that's even another reason Tlantla is drinking so much. And also, guys, Tlantla went through a lot this season. Finding out that your biological mom is not this one, is the one that is, has passed away. And then the family not being sensitive about that whole thing. But I do wonder, you guys, what if the whole thing is a lie? Because it looks like we were watching a lot of lies when it comes to the Mthembu family and Tlantla. Because, guys, how was Nhlanhla's mom sitting there last season saying ukuthi umthungo umhlungu umthungo la kwaphuma khona uNhlanhla umthungo? How are you having umthungo when you didn't give birth to this person? So I don't know, that story nje, it has off, it's off somehow, because there are things that only a mother that has given birth to somebody would say, ubuhlungu umthungo. How are you having a C-section scar, but you didn't give birth to this child, So I don't know, you guys. There are possibilities that it was all a lie, but, So I do recognize that Nhlanhla went through a lot. That is, if the storyline is true. Other than that, you guys, yeah. Don't be girl, listen. Move on. You're very beautiful. I'm sure you're going to find a good man, okay? And please, before you say yes to dating him, just find out a little bit about their family. Just find out if there isn't a crazy grandmother, Do that for yourself, okay? Do that for yourself. Anyway, you guys, that's all that I wanted to talk about. It really, it gave me a heavy heart, this episode, because I was like, oh, my favorite couple. Anyway, thank you so much for watching this video. Please like it before we're going to share it with your friends, with your family, and even with strangers.